Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to place text behind an object using Adobe Photoshop. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First, open the image in Photoshop. Now all you have to do is to make a selection of the object behind which you want to place the text, which in this case is this elephant. You can use either Quick Selection tool or Pen tool to make selection of the object. In this tutorial, I'll be going to use Quick Selection tool. But before that, I'll use this Object Selection tool to get a rough selection of the object. For better results, make the selection as perfect as you can. Now after you've completed making the selection, press Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard. This will make a new copy of this selection. Now select the Text tool and write any text that you want. Now here in the Layer panel, drag the text layer below the selection copy of the object. This makes the text go behind the object. Resize the text as per your needs. I'm adding some more texts, adjustments and LUTs to the final image. I hope you liked the video. Do leave your views and queries in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. See you soon in my next video.